into France. I didn't have any sound. I was rushing to get out of the boat, so I didn't have any sound ready. I didn't have anything done. I don't think I even recorded the coming out of the boat because I had the helmet up. So that kind of went that way. Speed limit 30. That's low. Yeah, so yeah, I didn't record very much, and I recorded getting out of Cherbourg without sound because I didn't stop. There wasn't anywhere nice to stop, so I just kept going. There was traffic. I wanted to try and beat traffic and not stay there until rush hour. I did not want to go through a town. Mr. Garmin adventurous routing. I wanted to get out of the national road, but I didn't want to get through town at 30 kilometers an hour. Come on, Garmin. So today the destination is Saint-Père-sur-Mer. It's a B&B that looks lovely. Unfortunately, I'm not going to enjoy very much of it because I'm going to get there at 7 o'clock. The weather is not fantastic. The swimming pool is not going to be used, I am afraid. Like the two Brazilians over there. Lisage Brésilien. Boulangerie, pâtisserie. It's 21 degrees. The weather is dry, which is good because I took the Cortex liner off my trousers yesterday, hoping for exactly this, 21 degrees and dry. It's overcast, but there's no forecast for rain, which is good. I would love to see no rain in this trip, but I'm sure we'll get a little bit of it at some stage. So long as it's not too much and we don't get storms, I'm okay with it. Take the second exit, so it's that one. D971. So here we are, going to the Alps. Going to the Alps. The day has come for our trip to the Alps. We've done the boat, and we are now riding on the right side of the road in continental Europe with our little big BMW GSA. I see signs for bloody, what you call it, radars everywhere, and I'm kind of wary of There's a problem with these B roads. They're all bloody 80 kilometer limits. And 70. Which is okay, but yeah, not ideal when you want to cover kilometers. Today I don't have times to be anywhere, so that's okay. I'll be there in plenty of time. 6:37, plenty of time to arrive at the BMW. However, tomorrow we're gonna have to cover 600 and blah kilometers. So that is going to be significantly more challenging. Une église, a church, nice big church, Christian. Pan de la Commune de Salines, camping La Vanlée, and 30 km par. Where are you going? Oh, come on. 30, not 10. These smell of the country. Wow, that was I'm gonna go this way because do you want to see this? Do you want to see this? Nice Harleys. Nice Harleys. Beautiful, stretched out. There's plenty of little twisty bends. The bloody radar signs again. Come on, French police. We're almost there, I think. 36, 32, 4 minutes. I hope that will bring me to the address that I gave us. So basically what Garmin said was, okay, I'll take you a little bit further down the road through, away from the 971, the D971, and then rejoin you to the D971 when you get there, and then you got this normal road entry. This is not the route I had programmed though. I had programmed the route through the coast. I don't know what happened. And yeah, I left the Garmin on the bike. I didn't look yesterday or today. I should have picked up the Garmin and brought it up and had a look at the route to make sure that it was correct. I didn't have much to charge or anything today. I'm going to have to do some work tonight. I'm going to have to download all my files from the memory cards, the 2 memory cards. So those will be downloaded to one of the external drives. And yay! Look at the sea. You can see the sea.